Привет, меня зовут Марина. And hello, my name is Marina. Welcome back to our Russian lesson. Today we'll speak about singular nouns in the genitive case. This is pronouns, so we will start our second case. Of course, we will not learn everything, only the nouns. With the pronouns in the genitive case, me, меня, and you, тебя, we can express what we have or don't have. Of course, in Russian has the verb to have. Possession, иметь. Like in English, but in the present we almost never use it. Because literally translated, the verb to have, иметь, in Russian has a double sexual meaning. If you want to say I have a dog, it's better to say у меня есть собака. We'll speak about. But to say я имею, in Russian it will seem like you want to have something sexual with the dog. And so please don't say я имею. Okay? It's not good, correct. And so in Russian we use the form taken by me I have a dog. У меня есть. Taken by me. For example, собака, it's dog. I have. Translated. I have a, for example, dog. And so, у меня есть собака. I have a dog. Taken by me, there is a dog. Some nouns exist only in the plural. For example, деньги, money. Деньги, money. Очки, glasses. Брюки, trousers. The singular form деньга, деньги, деньга, is archaic and no longer used. And so we can ask, as we say, you, for example, using the preposition у, тебя, verb есть, иметь, have, у тебя есть, for example, car, машина. У тебя есть машина? Do you have or have got a car? The answer can be да, у меня есть машина. Yes, I have got a car. The verb можно may I can I or in general can I, can you, may you, can I. It's a polite word often used instead of longer forms like могу я иметь, may I have. So if you want to ask something, can I or may I, можно, and continue your phrase. And so, for example, we can ask можно ваш паспорт. If you remember passport. May I have your passport? Можно ваш паспорт? May I have your polite or plural form, okay? Not твой. Your polite form. And for example, we can ask also about the email. Можно твой email? Можно твой email? Can I have your email? Otherwise, we can ask у тебя есть email? As you can see, the meaning is almost the same. You always ask about the email of your friend or the people you just know. Твой, тебя, do you remember? It's only not polite form. Please always try to use ваш or ваш. Okay, in that case, ваш. And please. And now let's speak about email. We have name собака, dot, it's собака. For example, Marina dot собака. For example, точка com. Marina собака .com. Okay. And let's continue to speak about social relationship. For example, друг, Plural, it's друзья. Friend, friends. Подруга, the masculine is друг. Feminine, подруга. Подруги. Подруга, female friend. So not for men, of course. And female friends. Girls, women. And so, for example, we can ask also, у тебя есть подруга? У тебя есть подруга? Do you have a girlfriend or friend? It's not mean only love relationship. It can be normal girl friend, not only for the relationship. And so, do you have a friend, feminine friend? Okay, for today we learned a lot of things, new things, and put like on this video, put the bell, and see you next time. Увидимся в следующий раз. Пока-пока.